Hey all, MonkeyKingHero here with a quick video for when I'm crossing New Horizons. Today we're going to be talking about how to get a Dung Beetle. So as you can see, it's only available in 3 months of the year, December, January and February, and it's available for the whole day. But as I saw in this video that I just captured for you here, the Dung Beetle only appears when it's moving snowballs. This is why I was walking around like snowballs like this. So if you look at the top, I noticed it started to move and I saw it in the corner of my eye. Obviously, if you've already made the snowman for the day, then there's no chance to get the dung beetle until the day after. And it's actually kind of hard to hit with the net, as you're about to see how I actually missed and thought I missed it. But thankfully, it doesn't run away like most, so I had a second chance and was able to catch it. So hopefully that helps you out, and of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!